There's nothing left in the fridge. Let's check my shopping list.
Hey, I can help you.
Okay, don't forget the money. Go!
What? Wow! I want this Oreo. Look what I got.
What is this? Where are the purchases? Bad duck.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I brought you an egg.
Cool.
You need milk.
Thank you.
Oreo? This cookie looks so yummy.
Where is my Oreo? Hey!
Here's another Oreo. She's gone somewhere. I'll help her. I'll make a great cake. Buttercream time.
Hey! What are you doing here?
Sorry. I know a great spell. Magic schmagic. Well done. She'll love it.
Wow, cool!